Hello students, welcome to the GK class of 5th standard. Today I am going to teach you the topic Shout Out of Slogans on page number 10. The main objective is to learn some famous slogans by famous Indian freedom fighters. Slogans play a major role to motivate people and give a jump start to important movements. Now let's start with our topic. The first slogan is Inqilab Zindabad. This slogan was given by a revolutionary hero of the Indian independence movement. Can you guess the name of this Indian freedom fighter? He is Bhagat Singh. Now let's find out the next slogan. The next slogan is Jai Hind. This slogan was given by an Indian nationalist and a young leader of the Indian National Congress. He is Subhash Chandra Bose. The next slogan is Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. This famous slogan was given by an Indian politician who was the second Prime Minister of India. He promoted the White Revolution to increase the production and supply of milk. He is Lal Bahadur Shastri. The next slogan is Vande Mataram. This famous slogan was given by an Indian novelist, poet, and journalist. He was an inspiring social leader during the Indian independence movement. His name is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Next, Swaraj is my birthright. This famous slogan was given by an Indian nationalist, teacher, and one of the first and strongest promoter of Swaraj, which means self-rule. The British authorities called him the father of the Indian unrest. His name is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Now come to next slogan. Our next famous slogan is Simon Go Back. This slogan was given by an Indian freedom fighter who played an important role in Indian independence movement. He was popularly known as Punjab Kesari. His name is Lala Lajpat Rai. Students, today I have discussed some famous slogans by famous Indian freedom fighters. That is Inqilab Zindabad, Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Vande Mataram, Swaraj is my birthright, and Simon Go Back. Kindly go through the topic which I have taught you today and attempt these questions. Solve page number 10 of your GK book that has been sent in your SNAP homework. Thank you and have a nice day.